What's up YouTube, it's Rico here again. I'm here to do a bike check. So first up we got the Fly Montana 2 bars with the Edwin De La Rosa grips in black. Then we have the Odyssey bar ends. Come down. Got the Primo Annihilator V2 top load. Then we have the Snafu forks. This is right there. Then for my front wheel I have the Demolition hub laced to a Primo 7 series with the Odyssey Aiken P-Light tire. And we come down the middle. I have the Premium Lopez frame and an E-Class sprocket, fit cranks, not stock, animal sealed pedals, metal. Then I have the fit stitched pedal seat with the fit seat post. Can't see it. Have the Primo bottom bracket. And then for my back wheel I have the Primo Remix hub laced to the Primo 7 series with the salt tire and stock pegs. That's my bike check. Subscribe, comment.